Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. If you've ever thought, I want to get rich but I have zero experience and no idea where to start, then this video is for you. This is the stuff nobody tells you, the real blueprint for a broke-to-rich transformation. And the best part? It's beginner-friendly. You don't need a finance degree, you don't need a trust fund, you just need to listen to this. First things first, let's talk about your mindset. This is the foundation of everything. You have to shift from a consumer mindset to a wealth-building mindset. What's the difference? A consumer asks, how much does it cost? A wealth builder asks, how much can this make me? Stop seeing money as just something to spend. Start seeing it as a tool, a seed you can plant to grow a forest of financial freedom. Every dollar you have is a little soldier ready to go to work for you. Your job is to be the general and give them the right orders. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's a strategic shift in how you view every single financial decision. Now let's get practical. How do you start from absolute zero? The first step is to master your cash flow. You need to know exactly where your money is going. And I don't mean a vague idea, I mean every single dollar. Use a simple app or even a notebook. This isn't about shaming yourself for buying coffee, it's about gaining control. Once you see where the leaks are, you can plug them. This is how you save money fast. We're talking simple wealth hacks here. Cook one more meal at home each week. Cancel that subscription you forgot you had. Challenge yourself to a no-spend weekend. These small changes create a surplus, and that surplus is your seed money. It's the start of your empire. With that seed money, what's next? You need to build your army. I'm talking about multiple income streams. Your 9-to-5 job is just one soldier. It's reliable, but it can't win the war alone. We need more troops. This is where side hustles come in. Think about what you're good at. Can you write? Are you great at organizing? Do you know how to build a website? In 2025, the opportunities are endless. You can freelance online, manage social media for local businesses, start a pet-sitting service, or even create digital products. The goal isn't just to make extra cash to spend. No. The goal is to create new streams of income that you can then direct towards your investments. You're building an income-generating machine. This brings us to the magic ingredient, passive income. This is where your money starts working for you, even while you sleep. And the most accessible way for beginners to do this is through investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing is complicated and scary. It doesn't have to be. Investing for beginners can be as simple as opening an account with a low-cost index fund. You're not trying to pick the next big stock. You're just buying a tiny piece of the entire market and letting it grow over time. And this is where the most powerful force in finance comes into play: compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's a simple explanation. It's when your interest starts earning its own interest. Imagine you invest $100 and earn $5 in interest. Next year, you're not just earning interest on your original 100, you're earning it on $105. It seems small at first, but over time it snowballs into a massive avalanche of wealth. Time is your greatest asset. The sooner you start, even with a small amount, the more powerful this effect becomes. Let's put it all together. You start by changing your mindset. You see money as a tool. Then, you track your spending to create a surplus. You use that surplus as seed money. You develop side hustles to create multiple income streams, funneling that extra cash not into more spending, but into your investments. You start investing simply and consistently, letting the magic of compound interest work for you over the long term. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-for-sure plan. It's a system. It requires discipline and a commitment to your future self. But it's a path that is open to everyone, regardless of where you're starting today. The journey from zero to financial freedom isn't about a single lottery ticket. It's about laying one brick perfectly every single day. The power to change your financial future is in your hands right now. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense financial advice. Let's build this wealth together.